In this video, we'll take you through the setup of your new vivoactive 6 smartwatch and introduce you to some features you're going to love. To begin setting up your watch, turn on your vivoactive 6 by pressing and holding the top button. When the watch powers on, choose your preferred language, then select the checkmark to begin pairing to your compatible smartphone. Then, scan the on-screen QR code with your compatible smartphone's camera. If you already have the Garmin Connect smartphone application, this will direct you to the device search screen. If you do not have Garmin Connect, scanning this code will direct you to download the app. Once installed, open it. Then either sign in or create a new account. Agree to the EULA, then select Next. Once the Garmin Connect app recognizes your watch, select Connect It. Your vivoactive 6 will display a 6-digit Bluetooth pairing code. Confirm the code matches in the Garmin Connect app and tap Pair. During this process, you'll also be able to select your goals and more. This includes the option to enable wheelchair mode. For help using this feature, please see our video on setting up the wheelchair mode. Once you're finished with initial setup, you can tailor your experience by customizing the glance and app list, setting up Garmin Pay, adjusting hydration goals, enabling pulse ox for sleep, and more. Now, let's talk about your vivoactive 6. Your watch comes with 2 buttons. The top button turns on your device, allows you to access the Activities and App menu, start and stop activities, open the Controls menu, and launch the Assistance feature. The bottom button is the back button. It allows you to return to the previous screen. Use this button to mark a new lap, start a new weight set or yoga pose, or advance to the next stage of a workout. Your vivoactive 6 also features a bright, colorful touchscreen display, which can help you navigate your watch. Swipe up to scroll through glances, features, and menus. Touch the screen to select various options. Swipe right to return to the previous screen. During an activity, you can swipe to view the music controls and activity settings. Let's talk more about using your smartwatch. To wake up the display, touch the screen or lift your wrist and rotate it toward your body. When the watch face is displayed, you can swipe up to scroll through glances that show your stats for the day, health data, your calendar, and more. To customize a glance, touch and hold it to move it up or down. You can also remove it from the glance list. Scroll to the bottom of the glance list and select Edit to add more glances to your list. You can also swipe down to view smartphone notifications. Press the top button to enter the Activities and Apps menu. Here you can change your watch face, start a workout, open your alarms, stopwatch and timer, and access watch settings. Scroll down to access the Settings menu. Here you can adjust notifications, focus modes, the power manager, and more. This is also where you'll configure health and fitness features, such as setting abnormal heart rate alerts or turning on the pulse ox. From any screen, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds to view the Controls menu. Here, you can access quick functions, including Do Not Disturb, Sleep Mode, Find My Phone, and more. To learn more about customizing this menu, see our Customizing Controls video. Swipe right to go back to the previous screen. To set up a shortcut, go to Settings, scroll down and select System, then select Shortcuts. Here, various shortcuts are available, allowing you to access different functions of your watch. Next, we'll walk through how to start an activity. You can customize the activities available in the Garmin Connect app or on your watch. First, press the top button to access the Activities and Apps list, then select Activities. To edit the list, scroll to the bottom and tap Edit. Here, you can either move around existing activities or remove them. You can also scroll to the bottom of the list and select Add to add activities and apps. To edit your favorite list, tap the activity and swipe up to reorder it. When you're ready to start an activity, select one. In this video, we'll be selecting Run. Wait until a signal is acquired if the activity requires GPS. Then, press the top button again to start the activity. Depending on the activity, you can use the bottom button for different functions such as marking a lap or moving on to the next set. While you work out, swipe left or right to return to your activity settings and music controls. Simply press the bottom button or swipe from right to left to go back to the activity screen. When you're finished, press the top button to stop the timer. You'll see a recap of your activity data and the option to resume your activity. You can also choose to save the activity or discard it. Once saved, the activity will be synced to the Garmin Connect app for you to view in detail. Your smartwatch comes with safety and tracking features when set up in the Garmin Connect app and connected to your compatible smartphone. There are two main features: incident detection and assistance. The incident detection feature automatically sends a message with your name and live location to your preset emergency contacts when your smartwatch detects that an incident has occurred during select outdoor activities. Assistance allows you to send a message with your name and live location to your emergency contacts. To activate assistance, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds. Keep holding for another few seconds to begin an assistance countdown. If you skipped adding a Wi-Fi network during initial device setup, you'll need to add a network now. While in range of your Wi-Fi network, open the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone and select More. Swipe up and select Garmin Devices. Select your vivoactive 6. Select Finish Setup, followed by Connect with Wi-Fi. Finally, select Add a Network. Then just select an available network and enter the login details if necessary. For more help setting up a Wi-Fi connection to your watch, check out our Wi-Fi setup video. Now you're ready to get out there and get moving. For more help, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!